rightly said that successful people are not gifted. They just work hard, then succeed on purpose. This is said by G.K. Nelson. So we should work hard and succeed in our life's purpose. Today's topic: microscope. Let's study microscope in more detail. The structural components of the microscope. Let's see the structural components of the microscope. There are three basic structural components of a microscope, and they are head, base, and arm. Head, or the body of the microscope, consists of optical parts such as tubular body, eyepiece, objectives, stage, etc., which are placed on the upper side of the microscope. Then we have the base, where the light source is placed or the mirror is placed. Then we have arm, which connects base and the head of the microscope. It is a U-shaped through which we carry the microscope from one place to the other. It supports and it gives firm strength to the microscope from the head to the base to the microscope. Then the parts of the microscope can be categorized into two parts. Those are mechanical and optical. Let's see mechanical parts of the microscope. This is the body tube of the microscope. Arm of the microscope. Revolving nose piece. Stage clips. Diaphragm. Pillar, coarse adjustment knob, fine adjustment knob, then the base. Now let's see the optical parts. Ocular lens, eyepiece, objectives, then the light source or the mirror. We have seen the parts of the microscope. Now let's begin to see all these parts in more detail. Let's study it and make ourselves understand what all these parts are helped in observing a specimen. Mechanical parts of a microscope. Let's begin with the base, which can be U-shaped or a rectangular, which supports or which carries the entire weight of the microscope. Then we have pillar. Those are vertical projections that are carried the microscope weight from the arm to the base. It only helps to carry the weight from the arm to the base of the microscope. Then the arm. The entire microscope is handled by a strong and curved structure known as the arm. Even we carry it holding the arm from one place to other. Then we have stage, the flat or the rectangular plate that is connected to the arm's lower end. The specimen is placed on the stage with the help of glass slide. We observe many microscopic organisms or things through this stage. We have a center hole within this stage through which the light passes through it. Then we have inclination point. It is a point wherein the arm is fastened to the microscope's pillar. The microscope can be tightened using the inclination point. Then we have stage clip. The upper part of the stage is connected to two clips. The slide can be held in its position with the help of clips. Clips help us to hold the slide in a firm condition. Then the diaphragm controls and adjusts the intensity of the light that passes through the light source or the mirror. There are two types of diaphragms, disc and Aries. Nose piece. Nose piece can also be called as revolving nose piece. The nose piece is a circular and a rotating metal part that can be rotated and that is connected to the body tube's lower end. The nose piece has 3 holes wherein the objective lenses are embedded. Body tube. The upper part of the arm of the microscope comprises a hollow tubular structure which is known as body tube. The body tube can be shifted down and up using adjustment knob. Let's see about the knobs. The fine adjustment knob, it is a small knob which is used for getting sharp and fine focusing of the object. For accurate and sharp focusing, this knob can be used. Then the coarse adjustment knob. It is a large knob that is used for moving the body tube down and up from bringing the object to be examined under exact focus. Then the optical parts, eyepiece, lens or ocular. At the top of the body tube, a lens is plated, which is known as the eyepiece. On the rim of the eyepiece, there are certain markings such as 5x, 10x, 15x, etc., which indicates magnification power. The object's magnified image can be observed with the help of an eyepiece. Then we have mirror or the light source. A mirror is found attached with her to the pillar of the lower end of the arm. It consists of concave mirror or a light source which reflects light rays into the microscope. Then we have objective lens. These are connected to the revolving nose piece. These are 3 small pillar-like lenses which are used according to their objective. For oil immersion objective we use 100x, high power objective we use 45x and low power objective we use 10x. Then till now we have studied a lot of the microscopic parts but may be confusing. Let's begin once again and see which part has the particular name of the microscope. Let's begin with mechanical parts. This is the microscope, body, tube. This is the body tube. Then we have the arm. This is the arm. Then we have revolving nose piece. Only this revolving thing, nose piece. Then the stage. Then the clips, where the slide is fixed firm. Then the diaphragm, which adjusts light source by itself. Pillar, from base to arm, it supports the weight of the microscope. Then we have coarse adjustment, larger knob. Then fine adjustment, smaller knob. Then the base of the microscope. Now let's see the optical parts of the microscope. Eyepiece, ocular lens. Then the objectives, these are 100x, 45x and 15x. Then the light source.
Thank you for your precious time. Have a good day. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment box.